Hello everyone, today we will see how to import the cube in Excel and create the pivot tables and pivot chart to perform data analysis. So the first step is to open the Excel file, create a new Excel workbook, then go to data tab, then select from other sources. Here you have to give server name as dot because our client and server are both in same machine. Click on next. Select the database. In my case it is OLAP 1. Click on next. Click on finish. Click on OK. Now in the right side you have to select deviation, quantity, customer ID, product name, now go to data tab, from other sources, existing connection, then select pivot chart, OK, then select quantity, deviation, customer ID, product name, and go to design. Thank you.